Hello friends, today I am going to take the topic on players in the primary market. Before going to that, I am requesting you all to subscribe my channel. It's me, Salma Finoj. Welcome you one and all. Okay, let's see who are the players in the primary market. Now we are the age of globalization. Very much competition is going every market. Specialized agencies and professionals are required to serve the no issue market, and they are known as key players or market intermediaries of the no issue market. The main players in the primary market are merchant bankers, who is known by managers to the issues also. Second one, underwriters to the issue. Third one, brokers to the issue. And the fourth one, registrars to the issue. And the last one is bankers to the issue. Merchant bankers, as per SEBI regulations 1992, prescribe that all public issues should be managed by one merchant banker. He is also known as lead manager or otherwise manager to the issue. If the size exceeds 400 crores as per the conditions by Securities Exchange Board of India, a company can appoint 5 or more managers. The lead merchant banker appointed by issuer company is known as book running lead manager, otherwise BRLM. Okay, who is merchant banker? Any person or any institution who is engaged in the business of issue management, either by making arrangement regarding selling, buying or subscribing to securities as manager, consultant, advisor or rendering corporate advisory services in relation to such issue management. Whatever services given by an institution or person regarding to the issue management is known as merchant banker. Next one, underwriter to the issue. You all know underwriter is a person who is engaged in the business of underwriting of an issue of securities of a body corporate. He is act as a financial institution who make a firm commitment that they will take up shares up to a certain amount if public doesn't subscribe to it. If the public is not subscribing any amount, the underwriters are ready to subscribe it. Underwriters are appointed by issuing company in consultation with merchant bankers to the issue. Some examples for underwriters are financial institutions, bankers, members of stock exchange and investment companies trust. Next one, brokers to the issue. Brokers are the registered members of stock exchange. They bring together the prospective buyers and sellers to the no issue market. Brokers may engage sub-broker and they send circulars, publicity material and applications to the clients and follow-up work for canvassing subscription. Registered members, brokers are appointed as registered members, and also they were taking some initiative to canvass to against the clients to canvassing the subscription of particular companies' securities. They get commission, brokerage fees as 1% to 1.5% regarding the issue price of securities. Appointment of brokers is not compulsory for any companies, but companies are ready to appoint any number of brokers because the expertising power of the brokers is attracted by the companies. JRG Securities Limited, Karvi Stock Broking Limited, Geojit BNP Paribas Financial Services Limited are the well-known brokers in this field. Next one, registrars to the issue. These are the persons who are appointed in consultation with lead managers or merchant bankers. Registrars are mainly for to assist issue management function. Their work relates to pre-issue management, management during currency of issue, pre-allotment work, allotment work, and post-allotment work. These are the activities done by the registrars to the issue. Next one, bankers to the issue. They collect application forms and money in cash, check or ASBA. Depending on size of issue, there may be many collection centers and many bankers. Lead managers ensures bankers in issue appointed in all mandatory collection centers and make some follow-up. Next, the reasons for poor performance of primary markets. First one, manifestation of real economy. Capital market depends on several economic factors like decline in industrial growth, miserable conditions in domestic demand, poor export performance, etc. Some of these factors negatively influence present state of primary capital market, and such effect reflected the performance of no issue market. Second one, failure to mobilize household savings. The new issue market in India failed to mobilize household savings. Less than 10% household savings were reached in the hands of primary market. The companies depended mainly on private placement rather than approaching public to mobilize their capital requirements. But now the position is changing fast. Next one, passive situations. The prolonged passive situation in secondary market is affected by primary market. Revival of new issue market is dependent on the revival of secondary market. And the one, gap in primary market. There is a functional and institutional gap in primary market. Now the merchant bankers are working as issue managers. It is in the infancy stage. Merchant bankers are appraising the technical and financial aspects. It leads the growth to primary market. Next one, data to investors. Many companies are not providing analytical and qualitative data to the investors. The abridged prospectus is not sufficient to meet the information needed of the investors. Next one, development in international trade. This affected the response in domestic market. Although the linkages between Indian securities market and the world market are not strong responses. Certainly got affected by the development in the foreign market. Okay, that's all about today's topic, players in the primary market and the reasons for the poor performance of primary market. Hope you have understood today's topic. If you have any doubt, please feel free to comment. Once again, I am requesting you to subscribe my channel. Watch till the end. Thank you. Have a nice day.